Welcome to News OFA, bringing you news from all over the world. February 17, 2019. Zombie deer disease is spreading across US. An infectious condition known as zombie deer disease is said to be spreading rapidly across the US. Chronic wasting disease, also known as CWD, is currently plaguing deer, elk, and moose across 24 states and 2 Canadian provinces. The disease attacks the brain, spinal cord, and other tissues in the creature before ultimately resulting in death. The infected will no longer choose to eat normal food and drink water, but will instead choose to obsessively drink urine and eat feces. What the f***? It also causes dramatic weight loss, loss of coordination, and bouts of hyperaggression. There have been limited studies thus far. There's no confirmed evidence that it can be transmitted to humans from deer. It doesn't seem to infect cattle or other domesticated animals either. However, Michael Osterholt, director of the Center for Infectious Disease Research and Policy at the University of Minnesota, issued a warning. Quote, "It is probable that human cases of chronic wasting disease associated with consumption with contaminated meat will be documented in the years ahead. It's possible the number of human cases will be substantial and will not be isolated events." Unquote. CWD was first spotted in the wild roughly 40 years ago, but has been seen in captive deer as far back as the late 1960s. CWD makes the deer forget to eat, so they waste away, and it makes them act erratically. That's why it's colloquially called a zombie disease. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, also known as CDC, the most likely method of contraction will be consuming infected meat, much like how mad cow disease emerged. As of January 2019, CWD has been reported in 24 US states and 2 Canadian provinces. Officials are urging precaution to minimize any potential risks. CDC notes that, quote, "Nationwide, the overall occurrence of CWD in free-ranging deer and elk is relatively low." Unquote. New research by Dr. Bastian has shown that CWD is caused by bacteria, and research are actually in the process of making a vaccine for CWD, according to Outdoor News. Thank you for listening to News OFA. If you have enjoyed this news, please leave a like and subscribe for more news from all over the world.